Check out this Buick 2016 Cascada Premium. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include navigation system, driver confidence package, 7 speakers, 7-speaker premium audio system feature, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, DVD audio, MP3 decoder and premium audio system, IntelliLink. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.